If you want to build abdominal strength, but you're someone who struggles to get down to the ground, well then this video is for you, because we're going to show you 3 simple and effective abdominal exercises that you can do at home in a chair. Okay, before we get into exercise number 1, an important note. When you're using a chair for these exercises, make sure it is sturdy like this one here. We don't want to use an office chair that rolls around because it's really not that safe. Okay, exercise number 1 is the plank. So with your sturdy chair, we're simply putting our hands on the side or flat on the top, stepping out into that kind of push-up position, and we're simply going to hold this with a straight line going from our shoulders all the way down to our ankles. And we're having to use our abdominal muscles here in that isometric fashion where we're just holding, which is really going to challenge them, as you'll soon find out. To make this harder, you're going to go down onto your elbows, just like that. But here are a couple of variations that you can do for a bit of spice. So, sitting up in that plank position, I'm simply going to put my hands closer together and then I'm going to touch my shoulders one at a time. By loading that one side at a time, we're really going to challenge our abdominals in a different way, which you'll certainly feel when you do this. Or you can try lifting your arms out to the side, like an airplane, and therefore you will feel that extra challenge. So that's the plank, a super simple exercise that you can give a go in a chair.
G'day, it's Mitch here for exercise number 2, and it's one of the classics you probably know, the crunch. But we're going to do a little bit of a twist. We're going to do a reverse crunch, and of course we're going to use the chair. So main tip with this one is, again, of course, get a very sturdy chair, and you're going to sit on the edge of the chair in this case. Hands on the chair for support, then lean back slightly so that your back's touching the back, but you're not sort of really relaxing in like you're watching a movie on the couch, okay? You want to have some engagement through those abdominal muscles. Lean back so you're touching, and then from there, the starting version is you're bringing your knee up towards your chest. So you can see my feet are starting on the ground, and really focus on tensing and crunching those abdominals and trying to bring that knee and chest together, like so. And you hear through my voice, it's definitely working the abs. Okay, the more advanced version is to do both legs at once. So same starting position, but this time you're coming up and then back down. And if you want to step it up, you can bring your back up off the chair so it's not touching, but that's a fair bit harder, as you'll see. Oh, okay, so there you go. You got the one knee at a time, then the double leg. That's a classic reverse crunch, and that is definitely going to give you a 6-pack for summer.
These abdominal exercises are great for building a 6-pack for summer, but all jokes aside, they are so good for your everyday functional strength. This exercise is called the mountain climber. I'm pretty sure Edmund Hillary did it every single day before he ascended Mount Everest, but I digress. So what you want to do in the setup is, like the plank, have the straight line running from your shoulders all the way down to your ankles. And then all we're going to do is lift that one knee up towards the same sided elbow, one at a time. Doesn't have to be fast, just slow like that is great. Once you've conquered that and you want a little bit more of a challenge, you could cross over to the opposite elbow. As you can hear in my voice, it's getting a little bit harder. So you get that plank challenge like in the first exercise, but now we're getting a bit of twist and crunch at the same time.
Okay, so 30 to 60 seconds each exercise, 2 to 3 sets. Try that a couple of times a week.
And now, whilst you don't have to get down to the floor for these exercises, we think it's a really important skill to master. And we've got the perfect video for you, which runs you through the best ways to get up and down. Make sure you check it out. It's on screen. Whoa!